This video was sponsored by Skillshare. So every time I build a couch, it never comes out completely comfortable enough. It's usually pretty good, but it's not perfect. So I was recently at an IKEA and I came up with the idea, what if I used an existing cheap $100 couch and then use those parts to convert it into a bed? Worst case scenario, I lose $100, but I decided to get it and try out the idea. I'm pretty sure everyone who's built a van has at some point thought about this idea. So at the very least, I thought it would be a good video. And if it doesn't work, I'll just have to rebuild it. We'll continue this cabinet carcass after a quick word about our sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of creative classes for anyone who wants to learn new skills. Learning a new skill on your own is fine, but it's pretty nice having a group of other people who are learning the same skills as you at the same time in an organized format. Recently, I've been using simple animations to help explain concepts in my videos. I learned a lot of those techniques from this class by Martin Lehman called How to Create YouTube Animations with Keynote. So you can potentially learn skills like that and many others with Skillshare. The first 1,000 of my viewers to sign up using my code or link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. Now let's get back and finish up that carcass. Well, as you can see, when the couch is all the way pulled out, it's not quite the full length of a bed yet. I was aiming for 6 feet, but it's about 15, 16 inches short of that. So I'm going to install this in the van and build the kitchen and use part of the kitchen to complete the bed platform. What the?
Who are you? Fool. I'm you from the future. I can fly in the future? No flying. Jump good. I jump so good, I can jump between universes. I thought you said we were from the future. My universe is from the future. In my time, I could have been the greatest builder of all time, but I failed to build an IKEA couch into a bed. Scrap the idea, make something new. Well, I don't have any more ideas. Do the rock and roll bed. I know that design has been in your head for the last 2 years, but I'm not ready for that design. It's too complicated. You are ready, and you will do it now. The fate of the universe depends on it. Wait, what happened to our eye? Safety glasses. I wasn't wearing safety glasses one day when I cleaned out the vacuum. What? Build the couch. What the f***? All right, I guess I'm gonna go remake this video. See you guys tomorrow.